In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exclude pages from Rank Math Sitemap. If you've ever wanted to keep certain pages out of your XML sitemap, like thank you pages, landing pages used for ads, or private content, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it in Rank Math, quickly and safely. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, look for Rank Math SEO and click it. From the menu that appears, choose Sitemap Settings. This is where Rank Math controls what gets included in your XML sitemap, which is the file search engines read to understand your site's structure. Once you're in Sitemap Settings, scroll down to the General section. Here, you'll find a field labeled Exclude Posts. This is the key area for removing specific pages or posts from the sitemap without deleting them or changing their visibility on your site. To use this field, you'll need the numeric IDs of the pages or posts you want to exclude. If you don't know the ID, a quick way to find it is to open the page or post in the editor and look at your browser's address bar. You'll see something like post 123 or page ID 123 in the URL. That number is the ID. Repeat this for each page or post you want to exclude and make a short list. Now, type those IDs into the Exclude Posts field, separated by commas. For example, you might enter 123, 456, 789. Commas are important here, and there's no need to add spaces unless you prefer to. Rank Math will understand either way. Double-check your IDs so you don't accidentally exclude the wrong page. If you do make a mistake, don't worry. You can come back and remove or correct an ID at any time. When you're done, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. Rank Math will update your sitemap automatically. If you want to confirm, you can open your sitemap in a new browser tab, usually at yoursite.com/sitemap index.xml, and check the relevant sitemap to make sure those pages no longer appear. A quick note for clarity: excluding a page from the sitemap does not delete it, block it from users, or guarantee search engines won't find it by other means. If you also want a page not to be indexed, consider marking it as no index in the page's Rank Math settings. But for sitemap cleanup and better crawl focus, the Exclude Posts field is the right tool. That's it. Simple, precise, and effective.